Hey, how are you? This is Chris Mortimer, the Yacht Hunter, back with another video on how to never overpay for your yacht. And today's video is about Sunseekers. You came across this because you're looking to buy a Sunseeker yacht. And there's a bunch of numbers that you need to know, regardless of whichever Sunseeker model you're buying, that you'll never come across in any of the research that you're doing. The first number you need to know is the number 8. This is how long that a typical Sunseeker yacht stays listed on the market, or it takes it to sell. As you approach that 8-month mark, a seller and a broker are going to start feeling the heat, so they might be more inclined to cut a deal as they go beyond or approach that 8-month mark. Typically, listings last about a year, so a broker is really going to want to try their best to sell that boat before they end up losing their listing to a competing brokerage. The second number you need to know is actually one number 4 times, 11.11. This is how much a Sunseeker typically sells below its listed value. So deduct 11.11% right from the list price, and that's a great target point for you to acquire your Sunseeker yacht. And the third number you need to know is what I stress in all my videos. It's the recent sales price, the number the salesman never wants you to know. Instead of looking at what comparable Sunseekers are listed for on the market, ignore that because they're artificially inflated, they're too high. You want to know what the most recent Sunseeker sold for. Here's a really good example to show you why this number means so much. Take, for instance, a 2011 Sunseeker 64 Predator, currently listed on the market for $960,000, when earlier this year, a same 2011 64 Sunseeker Predator sold for $775,000. Realistically, where's that same one on the market right now going to end up selling for? You could bet your butt that it's going to be much closer to that recent sale price. But again, most people will never come across this in their search for their yacht. So when it comes to evaluating and appraising and buying yachts at the lowest price, there is a method to the madness. This is how we do what we do, and this is what you need to know whether you buy a Sunseeker, an Azimut, any yacht in the world. This is how you're going to do it. So, regardless of whatever you're buying, be sure to do me a favor. Subscribe right here by clicking this button below and fill out the form below this video. That way, I'm going to be able to text you this data so you can be that much more informed in buying your yacht, whatever it is, whenever it is, wherever you are. So, thanks so much for watching this video, and happy yachting, my friends.